Hi everyone, I am Ahmet Hakan Kızılçubuk and today we will solve some questions about polynomials. But first, we need to learn what is a polynomial function. A polynomial function is a function such as a quadratic, a cubic, a quartic and so on, involving only non-negative integer powers of x. Also, we need to learn the form of a polynomial function. A polynomial of degree n is a function of the form of this equation. In this equation, a's are real numbers, sometimes called the coefficients of the polynomial, and n is the degree of this polynomial. Let's look at on an example. Our example is fx function is equals to 4x to the power of 3 minus 3x to the power of 2 plus 2. I want you to stop the video for a minute and find the degree and type of this polynomial. I guess you found the type and degree of this polynomial. The degree of this polynomial is 3. X is the variable of this polynomial, and the polynomials that has degree 3, like this equation, are called cubic polynomials. Let's start to solve some questions. Question number 1. If px function is equals to x to the power of 3 minus 2x plus 4 and qx function is equals to 2x to the power of 2 plus 3x minus 5, find px qx function. Okay, for this question we need to multiply px function with qx function and we need to write the multiplication like this. Then we need to start to multiply each value with the other value, and the answer of this question is 2x to the power of 5 plus 3x to the power of 4 minus 9x to the power of 3 plus 2x to the power of 2 plus 22x minus 20. Next question. If px function is equals to x to the power of 4 minus 2x to the power of 3 plus 4x plus 7, find 3px function. Okay, for this question we need to multiply this polynomial with 3, and when we multiply this polynomial with 3, we are finding 3x to the power of 4 minus 6x to the power of 3 plus 12x plus 21. Question number 3. Factorize 2x to the power of 3 plus 5x to the power of 2 minus 3x and find the roots of this equation. Okay, what is common in this equation? In this equation, x is the common factor, and we can write this equation like this. Then we need to factorize 2x to the power of 2 plus 5x minus 3 to find the roots of this equation, and when we factorize it, we are finding x multiplied by 2x minus 1 and multiplied by x plus 3, and the roots of this equation are 0, 1 over 2 and negative 3. For next question, we need to learn the remainder theorem. What is the remainder theorem? When a polynomial px is divided by x minus k until a constant remainder r is obtained, then r equals to pk. Okay, our next question. Our next question is use the remainder theorem to find the remainder when x to the power of 4 minus 3x to the power of 2 plus x minus 4 is divided by x plus 2. Okay, for this question, we know that if x is equals to x to the power of 4 minus 3x to the power of 3 plus x minus 4, then we can put negative 2 for x, because x is equals to negative 2, we can understand from this factor. And when we put negative 2 for x, we are finding 16 plus 24 minus 2 minus 4, and this is equals to 34. The remainder is of this polynomial is equals to 34. Okay, factor theorem. We also need to learn factor theorem for polynomials, and factor theorem is for any polynomial px, k is a zero of px and x minus k is a factor of px. Okay, our next question. Determine whether x minus 2 is a factor of x to the power of 3 plus 3x to the power of 2 minus 13x plus 6. Our polynomial is px equals to x to the power of 3 plus 3x to the power of 2 minus 13x plus 6. To find if x minus 2 is a factor of this equation, we need to put 2 for x, because the root of this equation can be 2. P2 is equals to 2 to the power of 3 plus 3 times 2 to the power of 2 minus 13 times 2 plus 6. And when we do the operations, we are finding 8 plus 12 minus 26 plus 6, and it's equals to 0. So we can understand that x minus 2 is a factor of this polynomial. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed.